Hello guys, you are watching Glitter Sheet Pine Cone. You are watching the band keychain made with glitter sheet. Wow, you are watching the colorful and decoration piece. You are watching beautiful colorful wall hanging. You are watching the beautiful colorful handband wall hanging flower colorful red and purple. You are watching colorful red and white. You are watching beautiful flower made with glitter forming sheet. Colorful flower. You are watching the purple and white flower. You are watching the paper colorful flower. How to make you you are watching the colorful pink and white flower, pink and green flower. You are watching made with the glitter forming sheet. You are watching beautiful yellow rose flower. You are watching beautiful yellow flower and green leaves. You are watching red flower, beautiful colorful most colorful flowers, uh, five color. You are watching the branch and pink color flower. You are watching the beautiful colorful flower bunch. You are watching the sunflower uh, flowers made with the glitter sheet, uh, beautiful flowers. You are watching lily flowers made with glitter sheet and his leaves. You are watching different colors, pine cone shape, uh, three colors, pink, green and brown pine cone shape flower. You are watching a flower white and orange colors. You are watching beautiful decoration artificial flower. You are watching the lily flower model made with the glitter sheet. You are watching the purple flower uh, made with foaming sheet. You are watching the beautiful pink color flower. You are watching beautiful shade flower. You are watching the beautiful red, blue and purple color flower. You are watching the Eva form rose tutorial. You are watching the lily flower handmade how to made. You you are watching the most colorful flower ring wall hanging. You are watching the purple color flower